Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got this Gaggia Anima Prestige with us in the shop today. And pretty much what had happened is it was brought in and we kept getting the rinsing cycle, or to prime the machine, it kept coming up. When we did receive the machine, we were testing on it. It was working considerably well. The machine was very dirty. So I do believe that was part of the reason why water wasn't getting to where it needed to, because of the amount of coffee buildup, stuff like that. So we did a tune-up on the whole machine completely, descaled your machine also, took your brew group out the side, cleaned all the walls, replaced this, which is how your water gets into your machine. As you can see, we replaced that completely with brand new one. Replace all the gaskets on your brew group. And yeah, so we're here now, and we're gonna do a few tests on the machine. We're gonna test one espresso, and we're gonna test the steam function. So we're gonna put this here. We're gonna do a cappuccino. So you need to pull this side open. Just gotta grind and get the espresso ready first. Now it's gonna make that milk. I'm just gonna make it. Now it's gonna make the espresso. And that's looking good. And this is the max grind setting, max aroma. And that's it for this repair. If you like this repair or any of our other videos, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.